Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Recycle Bin to File Explorer Windows 11. To start, open the File Explorer, and as you see, there is no access to the Recycle Bin. There, click on the icon up to desktop. After this, right-click on the Recycle Bin and select the option Pin to Quick Access. You can see the Recycle Bin available in Quick Access in File Explorer. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.